Ваши клиенты, мам? А, иди как чадромада, гибудем оказывается. Возьмем омасодиан. Ай, парай рахмудом. Ай, знаю, в том парковка. Ну, нормально. Да, рамахкам. Кадим, омадем. Hi, how you doing? Pretty good.
How does it work? Do you go see what's wrong with it?
Yeah, and doing for you estimate, then you just thinking that you want to fix it or no, up to you. Oh, what is, I don't know. Let me see first. So it's not cooling?
But slowly.
Not strongly.
It's usually heat it up.
Do you need to plug it in right here?
Yeah.
This is better than what?
Doesn't matter. You can
Do you
just
need
put
more
it.
than one plug in?
No, you can just put it. That's it. Thank you.
No.
Опять тараканы. Ненавижу тараканы. Ненавижу. Ладно, держи тараканы. Tarrakani. What?
400.
Yeah.
Remember that I spoke to? Came and look at it, 1,450. But we bought the stuff for 800.
Yeah. Online, I need you to sign first.